how to report a user on threads. So for example, let's head over here to our homepage. And for example, we have in here this person. Now let's try to report them. So let's click on this three dots. And in here you can see this report option. So just click on this report. And then you can see this. Why are you reporting this account? So you can report the whole account or just report the post, message, or comment that they have made. If you want to report the whole account, just click on this report account option and then just choose why are you reporting it. It can be pretending to be someone else, posting content that shouldn't be on threads, or under the age of 13. Let's choose this one. And then just choosing here the primary reason for this. And then from in there, you can head over and then just learn about the community standards and whatnot. Take note that I will not actually report them because this is a tutorial. However, if you want to report a user, you can head over and do so. So that's how you report a user on threads. Hope you helped.